Imagine at full throttle, taking off from a dead stop, it accelerates to 290 miles an hour in less than a quarter of a mile. In fact, that's a 6-second quarter flat in NHRA racing. Intention to race. He is not turning onto the runway. Don't worry. He's just going to make a quick 180 right here and give you one more look at this wonderful jet car. A one of a kind, actually. A real hot rod, NHRA hot rod funny car body chassis. Equipped with a General Electric jet engine. Not particularly large. Sure size, but very, very fast. Now, the interesting thing about this funny car, you would think it would have great brakes. Really, it does not, because the primary... There's going to be a good shot of it now. Look at the trail end of the smoke. He's completely IMC. There it is, that wonderful glow behind. And joining us this afternoon on this very cold, blustery day, thank you again for spending time with the WBCA. Speedy Gonzalez, and you'll see why. A little bit of a teen show showing you that afterburner. That's when the flame comes out. There it is, that General Electric jet engine, typically used in a Learjet. That's the afterburner, otherwise known as AB. Now you can see the support cars are going out. They're going to need those for two reasons. One gives them the indication to start. Yeah, baby. The second is going to be the chase vehicle. That will go as fast as it can down the runway, chasing the new Bird funny car. So here we go. A true NHRA funny car equipped with a jet engine, piloted by Landon Speedy Gonzalez. Let's see what we got, folks. And we're going to make some noise, Hillary Laredo. This is going to be the final demonstration of the day. Now you can see Landon is way over there on runway 36.
He's got tennis shoes on today.
All right, here we go, Jody. Let's get that music faded down a little bit, and let's listen in to the Newburgh Jet Funny Car. Here we go. Make some noise, Laredo! 250 miles an hour in the quarter mile, making some